Now we are coming out of that story and talking about what is happening in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Remember, there is a hearing that is going on in the Supreme Court in the Tirumala Laddu controversy. There's a petitioner, Rajshekhar Rao, who in fact has presented his petition before the court, and he's saying that I am here as a devotee. This is a matter of concern. And this is what the petitioner is claiming. These are the concerns that have been raised ever since the controversy broke down when it was about the use of adulterated ghee in the Tirumala Tirupati Laddu. My colleague Ananya has more details from that ongoing proceeding before the apex court of the country. Yes, Ananya.
Definitely, this is in fact something that has come up before the Supreme Court now. Various petitions, in fact, filed before the top courts of the country with regards to, in fact, the whole controversy that is broken out over the Laddu that are served, in fact, at the Tirupati Laddu, one of the most sacred temples in the country. And in fact, Rajshekhar Rao, appearing for one of the petitioners, has stated that very clearly and categorically, this is something that this formulation has not been tested. And, Chandrababu Naidu, who's sitting at such a constitutional court, is not somebody who should be making such statements in the open. While, other petitioners are also arguing at this particular matter, at this particular point of time, wherein Temple Rohadki and Siddharth Luthra stated that, in fact, in his bona fide petition, as Mr. Swami appeared for the Tirupati Devasthanam. So basically, matter is still on the base, on the stage of technicality. In fact, Sonia Mathur is also reading various parts of her petition, and so we'll have to wait and watch as to what comes out of the court and whether or not the Supreme Court actually wants to intervene into this matter or not. That is the biggest question that we'll get an answer to in a short while from now.
And so far, no observation that has been made by the court yet, Ananya?
Well, as far as this point is concerned, the Supreme Court is looking into the formulations and the allegations. And at this point of time, the court has not passed any observation. But,
okay,
in the future course, the hearing is still going on. So you might see that the Supreme Court makes some observations on this particular regard or on the pleadings that have been given out by all these parties.